He said it's the highest murder rate in 47 years, and the media doesn't report it. And again, Kellyanne, the media doesn't report it because it's a lie, because it's not true.
Because the press doesn't tell it like it is. It wasn't to their advantage to say that. But the murder rate is the highest it's been in, I guess, from 45 to 47 years.
For the president to say that is I can't even wrap my head around it.
I think that I will discuss it, but I think he is relying upon data perhaps for a particular area. I don't know who gave him that data.
It's gotten to a point where it's not even being reported.
According to the Tyndall report and other sources, we have inordinate coverage on candidate Trump during the Republican primary, 333 minutes on him, and really, 5 times as much coverage on him as these terrorist attacks, and frankly, more coverage by the major networks, at the very least, on Prince's death.
Your spin about the idea that we don't want to be inured to that's a lovely spin, but that's not what he was saying, Kellyanne. He was saying the media does not cover these stories because we don't want to cover them, because we have some sort of agenda. That's what he was suggesting, and it's offensive given the fact that CNN and other media organizations have reporters in danger right now in war zones covering ISIS. And I just don't understand how the president can make an attack like that.